Shalom, shalom. Today is the last Shabbat of the 360 degrees of days of assembly. Enoch is teaching us that there's that perfection of 360 where all the days of assembly reside. This is what we discovered over our winter studies. So with that new information, we wanted to be out here today to see exactly where the sun is on our new armillary. So there you can see, let me get out of the shadow, that we are at our solar noon, our solar midday, and we have a few more days before we come down to our equinox. But tomorrow is the equilux, and it is where the Holy of Holies is closed, and it is one of the pillars into the entrance. We have the equilux and the equinox. The equinox starts the year, and the equilux tells us the year is done, the perfect 360. So we have a few things. This armillary from last year, it needs a new north-south string, but we can see it's still above center. And my sweet husband Kafo, we're going to start marking the length of this shadow to see where the sun is for our solstices and our equinoxes. So we're going to start right here with the last day of the 360. So just checking in. Oh, we also have our table this year that will be measuring straight in arches on the shadows, because we know the equinox is a straight line shadow. So this will help us measure that line and if there's still an arc in our shadows. So we've got a lot of things this year we're looking at, some new things, but we're just excited with the new information. Check out our YouTube video, Remnant of the Light, and our overview on what we have found this winter about Enoch. And I'm currently working on a more in-depth study. Hope to have that out for the new year. So I wish everybody Shabbat Shalom.